black bear hunt next month. A group called Speak Up Wekiva has filed an emergency motion to get a judge to put that hunt on hold. Tracy Jason live in Lake County with the latest here. Tracy.
Yes, Sunny, we're at the Rock Springs Runs State Preserve. It's right near the Wekiva River. It's one of the designated areas for bear hunting this fall, if it happens. But if the group Speak Up Wekiva gets its way, it won't. We met up with Speak Up Wekiva Treasurer Chuck O'Neill here at Rock Springs Run State Preserve in Lake County, one of the areas designated for the upcoming bear hunt. O'Neill and Speak Up Wekiva filed an emergency order today to get a temporary injunction on the October black bear hunt. The group filed a lawsuit last July.
We filed this emergency motion to stop the hunt until the legal issues can be resolved.
The group's primary objection is the fact that it's a week-long hunt with a minimum of 2 days. Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission spokesman Greg Workman emailed us this response. The bag limit for the upcoming bear hunt is 1 bear per person per season. The bear harvest will be limited through daily decisions regarding season closure based on daily harvest totals. Experience in other states with a similar hunt structure indicates that hunter success is relatively low. Aside from the 2-day minimum, the hunt is limited to 320 bear.
The data that they pick, the 3 states that they pick, Maryland, Pennsylvania, and Maine, I believe, are totally different terrains. So if you look at the terrain of a similar state, Georgia, in the first day, they killed 10% of their mid-state bear population in 1 day. What's interesting is they've been picked.
While at Rock Springs Run, where black bear are plentiful, O'Neill looks for saw palmetto berries, one of the bear's primary food sources. Speak Up Wekiva got a moratorium on harvesting the berries in state preserves this past June, but today we discovered someone has apparently been poaching them anyway.
Like any other animal, if you take away their food supply, they're going to move, and they're going to find food. And that's why they're in suburbia, is because they can find food.
Now, we just came back here on a whim.
Yeah.
And here we go.
Yeah, and there should be berries all over this.
That moment, unexpected but educational. O'Neill went on to question how FWC can actually control the bear hunting if they can't control berry poaching. But in all fairness, I never asked anyone that at FWC because it was so late in the day. But clearly, many questions surrounding this issue still. We will let you know how this request for a temporary injunction pans out, Sunny and Bob.
Tracy, thank you. Well